Candace certainly did. Little did we know when we aired an exclusive interview with Mayor Adams on Friday, it would take on a life of its own over the weekend. And part of the defense team's strategy as they try to drum up sympathy for the accused killer. Luigi Mangione appeared at ease during his murder arraignment in Manhattan criminal court Monday, even smiling before he pleaded to the killing of Brian Thompson 3 weeks ago. Though he seemed to bite his tongue when reporters shouted, "Luigi, want to say something?" Instead, his lawyer did the talking to the judge.
I'm very concerned about my client's right to a fair trial.
Karen Friedman-Agnifilo telling the court the 26-year-old has been made a political pawn, ping-ponged between state and federal prosecutors angling to get the first crack at him.
If the state doesn't win, the Fed can maybe win. I really do still believe that violates the double jeopardy clause in the Fifth Amendment.
The Manhattan District Attorney says it's been agreed the state trial will proceed first.
It's not infrequent that parallel federal and state charges will be brought.
In an effort to stoke sympathy for her client, the defense arguing last Friday's perfectly choreographed perp walk was made into a spectacle, with the mayor appearing there in person, and that he violated Mangione's constitutional rights, taking issue with Adams' comments made exclusively on Picks on Politics with Dan Manarino last Friday.
He said, "I wanted to send a strong message.
I wanted to look him in the eye and stated that you carried out this terrorist act in my city."
Despite dozens of supporters for the accused killer shouting outside the courthouse, prosecutors are confident they'll get a fair jury and conviction.
I have never seen a case with such volume of evidence, aside from the issue of the quality of the evidence.
Well, as for those comments condemning Mayor Adams in court and elsewhere, City Hall said that Mangione, the mayor rather, was simply showing up on Friday to support law enforcement, and that is who he is to his core. So that video that aired on Pix 11 garnered millions of views, so much so that they decided to talk about it in court today.